hair on your neck, guys, for the most part grows upwards. So hope you didn't forget. I want to thank you guys for watching. Love questions, love comments. Leave one below. Just another edit in the books. You boys. So based on current events, guys, the recent kibosh by the FTC of Edgewell's acquisition of Harry's, I figured for this Sunday shave, I'd dig into my little shave den, if you want to call it that, and I'd pull out the Harry's razor and some Harry's gel and do a quick and simple Sunday shave. Now I have about a 1.5 day growth to deal with, but I'm going out tonight, so I need to be extra fresh again. I've applied the pre-shave oil, guys. Pre-shave oil is an absolute must. I'll leave links in the description box below so you can take a look at some different pre-shave oil options. But it's really, really a nice way to go. Massage it into my skin. It's nice and relaxing. And then I'll wash it off. Just a brisk wash. I don't want to take all the oil off. Just a quick wash with warm water. And then I'll squeegee with my hand the excess water. I'm leaving some of that shave oil behind, guys. I just did a pre-shave video, just released it yesterday, and I'll leave a link to that as well to show you the whole routine. But I'm going with the Harry's shave gel, which is really, really good, guys. Harry's is a great product. You can pick it up at Target. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. You can be doing something for you and doing something for me. Take your pick, bruh. Nice, mildly fragrant shave gel. Goes on nice. You could really get this to foam up if you'd like. If you like thicker lather, just add a little bit more, a little less water. I like a thinner lather, but it's very nice, guys. When I first used this gel, I was like, wow. It's been a while since I've done a Harry's review. Now, what do I think about the FTC stepping in? You know, when I first heard that Harry's was going to be acquired, I got kind of sad because if you know anything about Harry's, they're just a simple, elegant design. Just a different approach. And I've worked for a company that was acquired by a big company. That isn't always the best for the original company, the culture, the soul of that original brand, the products. Now, the FTC's point is that folks like Harry's and the Dollar Shave Club actually help to keep things competitive in the landscape. So the big boys like Procter & Gamble and Edgewell don't get to increase the prices every year without any competition in the space. So politics aside, let's get into the shave. I'm going to do one pass today. I'm going to go with the grain. So with the grain of the hair growing on my face is growing down. So guess what? I'm going down. Let's do it, bruh. Nice. Oh, that's a nice feel. Harry's razors, nice and simple design, guys. Hugs the skin. And you really have to have your technique going for you when you use Harry's as opposed to an Edgewell product like a Schick Hydro 5 or a Gillette product where you got all this protection. The beauty of this is it's got I like to call it organic or non-mechanical. So there's just like a rubber pivot here, guys. There's no mechanicals there, all right? Nice lubrication strip, 5 blades, rubber guide, but there's not a ton of protection as compared to, say, your Gillette. So you really have to go with good technique, good form. And good form is letting the device do the work. Nice, smooth, easy strokes. And what's nice about this design, guys, it's got a nice sort of rubber feel to it, but there's a hard core in there. So there's heft to the device. And that's great. That helps with technique. It helps you let the device guide the blades across the skin. If you really want to take your time, you want to take your time and do it right, y'all. This is a little bit more aggressive than your typical, cartridge razor, guys. All right, so going with the grain of the hair growing on my neck, hair is growing upwards, so I'm gonna flip the orientation of the razor, flip it upside down and shave up. Nice long, even stroke after stroke. And take your time. You're not digging, you're shaving. I'd highly recommend Harry's, guys, especially if you like simplicity and economy. Very economical when compared to other manufacturers. But a nice shave. And I'll tell you what, guys, since I've been using pre-shave oil, I just have not had any pain. Working the edges and there you go. Rinse off with warm water. Feel around for any areas where I may have missed. And I like to go over areas I missed with a little cross the grain action. I do feel like I nicked myself slightly here. You can get in trouble with Harry's if you don't use proper technique. But I tell you what, guys, provides a nice, simple, clean, economical shave. Another Sunday shave in the books, guys. You can pat the skin dry. It used to be I would rake my skin on camera, and a couple of you guys were like, listen, why should I be listening to you? Because you don't know how to take care of your skin. You got one face, guys, let's face it. You want to keep it in good shape as long as you can. Last but not least, I'll throw on some of my favorite Duke Cannon post-shave balm. It's ice cold, guys. I'll leave links in the description box to all the products I featured here. Some pre-shave oil options. The Harry's razors and shave gel. And this post-shave balm from Duke Cannon. I hope you're all having a great Sunday. I want to thank you for joining. I really appreciate all your support. And I'll see you next. Just a little bit of a channel update, sort of upcoming things. I have a beautiful safety razor on order. It should be here next week. And I can't wait to show you. It's got multiple settings, so you can go from mild to aggressive in one razor. I'm excited about that. Hope to show you next week. I'm gonna also be doing more shaves with the Gillette heated razor. I'm really enjoying that. And I wanna thank Mike Vance and the Vance team once again for sponsoring that great product. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time, which will probably be tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're gonna keep pushing play. And if you haven't already done so, click the link below and take a look at Harry's today. Beautiful style on this Harry's razor, guys. Nice seafoam green. Sturdy construction, just elegant design. Award-winning design. 5 blades. It's shaving simplicity. If I'm not filming a review, I'm editing a review.
I hope you didn't forget. I want to thank you guys for watching.
Keep pushing play, y'all.